Hi, this is Don Nelson. I'm editor of the Additive Report, and I'm here at FABTECH 2019 at the Makerbot booth, and I'm talking to Shawn Miely. A couple of questions for you, Shawn.
Sure.
We're standing in front of the Method X. That's kind of a big step forward for you folks in the industrial space. It follows up on the Method. Can you tell us what's different about this than the Method?
Yeah, sure, Don. So as you mentioned, the Method X is our newest 3D printer. So with the Method X, we've actually taken a bigger step into the manufacturing space, and we call it our manufacturing workstation. So what the Method X does differently from the Method is it can now print up to 100 degrees Celsius heated chamber. And so a heated chamber is really important with an FDM 3D printer like this. Without it, you're going to get a lot of warping and a lot of curling with the parts. And it's actually a proprietary feature that we've gotten from our parent company, Stratasys. So,
okay.
Mm-hmm.
Well, let me ask you another question about it. Is this something that would be a good introductory machine for like a shop that has never tried out additive manufacturing?
Yeah, so I think what Makerbot as a company has done really well is develop really accessible, easy to use printers. That's kind of our pedigree dating back to 2009. And now we have a technology, a solution that is much more powerful and a much better fit for the professionals. So we kind of are combining that accessibility, but with a powerful machine that can print in materials like real ABS and nylon and ASA. So I do think it's a really good fit for a first-time user.
What kind of things should people consider if they're looking to get into 3D printing in terms of equipment or what they have to have on their staff, know-how?
Right, so I mean, first off, you should have designers or engineers. So that's who we've really created this for, right? So if you're using CAD software like SolidWorks or Autodesk or any number of CAD softwares, this is a really great product for you. It's, like I said, because it's so easy to get set up, it's not only great for big Fortune 500 companies, but even startups are starting to adopt this because it's a really easy way to create quick prototypes and even end-use parts relatively cheaply.
Okay. Last question. We're at FABTECH, and this is a show that's traditionally for companies involved in conventional manufacturing. You're a 3D printer manufacturer. If those folks were to come by, what would you tell them, the one thing you would tell them about 3D printing that you think they should know?
Yeah, so I think they should take a look at some of the things we've actually been doing with conventional manufacturers. So we actually just came out with a case study about a company called All Access Robotics, and they're based down in Texas. And what they've done is they've adopted the Method platform of 3D printers, and they use it alongside their $1 million CNC machines. And they're able to print jigs and fixtures, and they print custom end-of-arm tools for their robots to tend the CNCs. So they've actually kind of created this nice symbiotic relationship where the $6,500 printer is helping them maintain a $1 million machine. So.
All right. Well, thanks very much, Shawn.
No problem, Don. Thanks for coming by.